Star, do you not want to know what toy you got? Do you want to know what toy you got? Hi guys, today we're going to be doing, what are we going to be doing? Well, I guess somebody's going to surprise us or tell us at least. Hi guys, today we're going to be doing, what are we going to be doing? I have no idea what we're going to be doing, guys. So, really? Oh, that one's mine. Oh yeah, okay. That can be yours. Wow, look guys. This is like, is that Halloween? Is this type of? Wow. Oh my gosh, guys, it says glow in the dark toy. Look. Oh my, it says dark in the toy, guys. Treat toy. Treat toy. What? Sweet cream with cocoa bit. Okay, guys, look, we got a Kinder Egg, and Star will open it first. I need help. Okay, I can help. There. I'll open this one. Okay. I think that's the chocolate. That's the chocolate. That's the chocolate. Guys, look. So, show the camera. Chocolate ball and vanilla. Go ahead. What is she gonna go for? Oh, she's gonna go for the vanilla, not the balls. Chocolate. What if she gets chocolate over her face and goes?
Three.
Keep eating. Star, do you not want to know what toy you got? Do you want to know what toy you got? Star, do you want to do you want to find out what the toy is? Yeah? She's like, it says that it was glow in the dark. Yeah, it says glow in the dark. Can you help me? Yeah. I've had this before. And okay, I got it. Whoa! Wait, oh my gosh! It's a witch. It's a witch. So this is Halloween, guys. She got a witch. So, oh wait, no, it's a face mask, and then they wear it, and then they become a witch. So it's kind of like a stick man. And then if you leave it in your room, then it glows in the dark. So like at night, it will glow in the dark. You can just hug it, and it will be tiny. It won't probably feel like anything. I can put this together. Ta-da! I got it. Okay, now let's open mine. Okay, so now we're gonna open my Kinder Egg, Kinder Joy. See, there's a little vampire on there, or is it a devil? I don't know. It looks like a vampire and a devil. I don't know which one it is. So let's just open it. Go ahead and open it. Oh. So whenever she opened hers, she was like, I'm just gonna go straight for the, oh, I got a skeleton, guys. Hello, friend, you wanna go trick-or-treating with me? Yeah. Let's go. I'm a witch. Let's just take a nap. While the big giants eat. Hey, stop it! I want to go back to bed. Now I'm gonna go straight for the yumminess. Do you know what's very funny about these treats? Is that we open them, and guess what? It's not even Halloween. That's the funny thing about this video. So I got a little skeleton right here. And then we got a pink skeleton with a scary face. And then a witch. Green witch. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comments down below if you liked this video.